UN reviewers today began assessing Taiwan's initial report under the Convention of the Rights of the Child. President Tsai asserted that children are the country's most treasured assets and that despite not being a member of the UN, Taiwan will make every effort to comply with the UN's review procedures.
Today, President Tsai Ing-wen made a new pledge on the rights of the child in Taiwan.
Even though Taiwan is not a member of the United Nations, we're still voluntarily referring to UN standards, conducting reviews regarding international human rights conventions, and progressively deepening our human rights education. We're determined to firmly establish international human rights standards here in Taiwan.
In 2014, Taiwan voluntarily adopted the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child. In November of last year, the central government completed its initial national report under the convention. Today and in the coming 4 days, international rights reviewers will attend meetings to scrutinize the state of children's rights in Taiwan as described in the report, considering issues such as violence towards children in schools and children's right to express themselves.
台湾在1973年通过儿童福利法。 那时候虽然短短的30条。
In 1973, Taiwan passed the Protection of Children and Youth's Welfare and Rights Act. At the time, it only contained 30 articles, but through subsequent amendments, by 1993 the Act already incorporated the spirit of the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child.
After opening up Taiwan's doors to international reviewers and inviting them to give their full appraisal of Taiwan's current environment for children, the government hopes to make concrete steps towards executing the Implementation Act of the Children's Rights Convention.